Intro. Welcome to our video on surviving NEET, tips and tricks for studying alone at home. NEET is one of the most competitive exams in India and requires months of diligent preparation. With the current pandemic situation, it has become necessary for students to study alone at home. In this video, we will be providing you with some tips and tricks that will help you survive NEET while studying alone at home. As you prepare for NEET, it is essential to understand that studying alone at home comes with its own set of challenges. The following tips and tricks will help you overcome these challenges and perform your best on exam day. Create a schedule. One of the first things you must do is create a schedule that details your study plans. Beginning with your wake-up time to your study hours, be sure to give yourself adequate breaks between subjects. Create a distraction-free environment. It is essential to create an environment that is free of distractions and noise. Choose a quiet place with sufficient lighting and comfortable furniture that promotes an optimal study space. Use online platforms. Online platforms such as video lectures, mock tests, and question banks are great resources to help you prepare for NEET. Be sure to utilize them, as they come in handy when studying alone. Stay motivated. Motivation plays a critical role during the preparation phase. Have a goal or a reward in mind as you work towards your studies, and be sure to keep working towards it, no matter how small it is. Stay consistent. Consistency is key when preparing for NEET. Devote sufficient hours each day for your studies, even on weekends. This will help you retain the material, understand concepts, and keep your proficiency. Outro. We hope that these tips and tricks will help you better prepare for NEET while studying alone at home. Remember, it is essential to plan your day, stay motivated, and practice consistently. Good luck with your NEET preparation.